people might wonder what an invasive alien species is.
So invasive alien species are species that are introduced accidentally or intentionally outside of their natural geographic range.
And that become a problem because it could cause many harmful impacts to the environment, especially on biodiversity. So it's originally occurred by importing plants or animals from abroad.
It could be by accident or on purpose, but usually on purpose.
If there are no natural enemies there, the migration of any kinds of plants and animals easily enter the countries. Therefore, the number of alien species will grow into a pest or animal pest, such as weeds in the field.
So imagine numerous negative consequences that could happen after. The first impact is on the environment, including reduced biodiversity. Imagine the rabbits that eat all themselves just because for their starving. Decrease of viability and quality of key natural resources. Increased frequency of wildfire and flooding. Pollution caused by overuse of chemicals to control infestations. For social aspects, these species also cause the decrease of food security, the limit of recreational and social opportunities, the risk of human and animal health because of unfamiliar diseases. They also affect on the economy. For example, lower crop productivity and quality, high cost of controlling pests, weeds, and diseases, the block of routes to domestic and global markets. Then let's see some examples of species we never realized they are aliens among us. Tilapia or Nile fish, people in Thailand call it planin without recognizing that it's originated from Nile River and extremely harmful. Water hyacinth, which caused water pollution and flood all around Thailand in 2011. Snakefish, pararubber. Now let's take a look on channeled apple snail.
Golden apple snail, also known as channeled apple snail, species of large water snail originate in South Africa, considered to be one of the world's worst invasive alien species. Introduced to Asia from South America around 1980s for potential food, but they have become agricultural pests instead. They have infected many rice fields and caused massive economic loss.
For manual control, this includes digging, flooding, destruction and removal of nests, hand pulling, burning, and general destruction of the invasive species by hand. This is most useful for small infestations and is the most environmental friendly. Mechanical control. This includes mowing, hoeing, cutting, tiling, chopping, and constructions of barriers to the invasive species using tools or machines. Chemical control seems to be the most effective option because it saves a significant amount of labor, but this method is not eco-friendly.
However, better safe than to be sorry. The government should establish a strong policy to work with a qualified organization to take action on this issue. A good example is from the CITES, which is an international organization. Its aim is to ensure that international trade in specimens of wild animals and plants does not threaten the survival of species. Please keep in mind that we've come so far to stop this issue. The point is how to manage, prevent it, and try to be responsible as much as we can to the next generation.